Hey guys, welcome to GB's Academy. Today I'm super excited to launch a new course on WooCommerce. And this is meant for absolute beginners and it will be completely free and will be available on our YouTube channel as well. So, if you have been following us for a while now, then you might know that we have been covering everything about WordPress and we have covered all the videos and tutorial series on WordPress essentials and fundamentals. If you haven't watched it yet, you can go and watch the complete WordPress basics. And now we are going to take a next step forward and going to create a new series on WooCommerce so that you can level up your skills and start creating e-commerce websites. And this course is for absolute beginners, as I said, and is completely free, of course. And once you complete this course, you'll be able to create an e-commerce websites quickly and professionally for your business. Or if you're a business owner, then you might want to create your e-commerce uh, websites on your own. Once you complete this course, it will be possible. And even if you have no previous web development experience, and if you are a WordPress developer or a freelancer, then you can take up bigger projects and charge premium to your clients. If you're in case you run a business of web development, you can take bigger projects once you learn e-commerce skill as well. So as I said, who is this course for? Anyone who wants to learn how to create e-commerce websites either for their own business or for their clients. They need to watch this complete course. And of course, basic WordPress understanding is essential for this course. And if you have basic understanding of WordPress, then it's fine. You'll be able to understand all the jargons and technical jargons or words that I'll be using within this video. Or else, if it is still fine if you're an absolute beginner, because I'll be anyhow explaining each and everything once we go through the tutorial or the course. And if you want to watch the WordPress basics and fundamentals before you start this course, and please do check our YouTube channel on YouTube, and I'll put the link in the description of this video. And yes, as I said this earlier, that if you are already a WordPress developer and if you want to learn a new skill so that you can take up bigger projects, solve bigger problems, and charge premium to your customers or clients, you can take this course. What concepts we will be covering? We will cover how to install WooCommerce, how to set up a WooCommerce correctly, professionally, how to assign pages for archive, product archive, and single product page, how to create those, how to customize those, and how to add simple variable digital products. You can also sell digital products in from your e-commerce websites. You can add variable products, you can add simple products. I'll be explaining what is the difference between all these three in the respective video tutorial. And then we'll move ahead for how to add products and attributes. Yeah, I'll explain all these things on that particular video, so you don't have to worry about it if you haven't heard about it. And we'll move on for setting up taxes correctly, and then shipping zones and rates will be set up correctly. Suppose that you want to charge a flat rate for certain region or location or a country or a pin code, and for others you want to deliver for free, or else for a percentage. You can set it up, and you need to know how to configure those shipping rules and shipping zones, etc. So we'll be making a separate video on that. And then we'll create discount coupons. You can offer discount coupon code to your customers and attract more sales. And then we'll see how to manage returns and refunds manually and automatically within some plugins. And I'll tell you exactly how it is done by demonstrating it you in the tutorial. And then we'll move ahead and see how to add payment gateways so that you can accept payments online. We will be seeing how to integrate PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, Paytm, and many more. And then we'll move on to how to fulfill your orders. Once you get the order, how to fulfill the order, how to change the status of orders, how to check reports, how to analyze the dashboard correctly, and how to respond to your customers. And yeah, this is what we'll be covering in this chapter. And then some advanced topic is front end design, how your website will look in the front end. That is front end design of WooCommerce website. Here we saw everything configuration and setup for backend. It is a functionality of your e-commerce website, whereas here it is all about how your website looks and how responsive, how fast it is loading, and all these things will be looking here. And in that main four areas that we need to concentrate on is homepage, how to design customized homepage for your e-commerce website, and how to create a product archive page. And product archive page is nothing but a page where you show all the product images in a grid format or a list format, or divided by categories, something like that. We'll dig deeper in that video, and then we'll go and see how to create your single product page. And finally, we'll see how to customize your cart page and how to customize your checkout pages, right? Okay, this is what we'll be learning in this complete course. And once you complete the course, you will be much confident and you will be able to create any kind of e-commerce websites easily. So this was an introduction video for the course, and now let's see what we are going to build in this website. Okay, so what you're seeing right now on screen is what we are going to build from scratch. Of course, this is a dummy website. It is not functional, but in this video, in this tutorial series, in this course, I'll go through each and every part of this website, and we'll be designing everything, and we'll be setting up the currencies. Right now I'm in India, so we need to change this currency to Indian rupees, and then we'll add some ratings. We'll customize this look and feel as well. And once this is an archive page, and this is home page and an archive page, combination of both. And then if you open it, it will redirect to, this is called as product page, single product page. And in this video, in this website, dummy website, we just have one product page design. But what we will do is we'll create two categories, and then we'll create two different product page designs. So you can just zoom in the product images, and then you can change the quantity of your order. Categories will be shown here: description, price, and this is known as breadcrumb. And then this is menus, add to cart. If I add to cart, the cart will update itself, and then we'll be redirected to, you'll be able to see the number of items in the cart, and this pop-up over here. This is an alert message that if in case you want to see what's in your cart, you can click this button and go to cart page. This is the cart page, and then we'll see everything, how to create all these things, and then we'll go proceed to checkout page. This is where your customer will have to add his payment details, his shipping details, billing details, and then here payment methods will come. Because it's a dummy website right now, we will integrate payment gateways. Once we integrate payment gateways, this will be available here, and then he will be able to place order. He will be able to place order, he will be able to shop. And then I'll show you by logging in the backend as an admin, and see how you will get an alert message as soon as your orders are placed, right? Everything we'll be covering. Will not leave any section. So this is it for the introduction of this complete course. This course is, as I said, this course is completely free, and yeah. And in case if you are a complete beginner, I recommend you to go to this channel and see the basics of WordPress, and it will help you understand the e-commerce website course, e-commerce development course in a better way. You'll grasp the concepts very quickly in case, and of course, if you don't have any experience, still you will be able to learn. But in case you already have some experience in our understanding of WordPress dashboard and everything, you just it's then it will be much more easier for you to grasp the concepts. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the first chapter. Thank you very much.